I voted against the report on the raw materials strategy. Fundamentally, the EU strategy is one of a resource grab for the interests of European big business. They want to get access to raw materials at any cost, regardless of the devastating consequences which their extraction activities can have on indigenous communities, on the environment and on working class people. When I was in Kazakhstan, I saw the impact of mining multinational ArcelorMittal that is guilty of grossly exploiting its workers and giving them no basic rights. The call for raw materials diplomacy is a very blatant appeal to use the European External Action Service in the service of these big business interests. The debate also revealed the role of big business and big business influence within this institution, where a number of the MEPs who are behind this very aggressive report have direct links to the industry and clearly represent their interests. Instead of raw materials going to serve the interests of big business, going to line the pockets of already super rich multinationals, they should be taken into democratic public ownership, and those resources, the vast resources that exist, should be used to raise the living standards of all. Thank you.